Morning, traders. OKLO. It is ripping higher. We see this going past 50 over the next few months. I put it on the buy now, pay later program. You have a chance to be fully invested, but you would rather miss out on long term because you can't see past today, right? Well, this is going a lot higher from here. And we own it, and we featured it again yesterday. And we're up and we're building momentum, and we're going to break these last highs. CCJ is above 51. That's where this is going. Oh, yes, it is. Once again, you doubt me, you lose. I gave you a chance to get on the program. That doesn't mean I'll let you on it. Why? Why? I'll tell you why. Because you didn't get on it. You had the chance to get on it and you decided not to do it. So now you don't get paid because you can't see past today.